Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Sequences and Series exercise 9.2 question number 5. Let's see the question. In an AP, if the pth term is 1 by q and the qth term is 1 by p, prove that the sum of the first pq term is 1 by 2 into pq plus 1. Here they are given pth term is 1 by q, that is AP is equal to 1 by q, then AQ is equal to 1 by p. We need to prove is sum of, so S to prove is S PQ is equal to half into PQ plus 1. Now let's use the formula AN formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. The same way here it is AP, so AP is equal to A plus, instead of N we have P here, so A plus P minus 1 into D. Instead of AP we can write 1 by Q. So A plus, I am just multiplying D inside, so PD minus D is equal to 1 by Q. Let it be there. I am writing it to be equation 1. The same way I am going to solve this. AQ is equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D. Here multiply D inside, A plus QD minus D is equal to, instead of AQ we can write 1 by P. I am writing this equation to be 2. Here we need to find A and D to solve this. We need to know A and D. For that I am just subtracting these two terms. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Here A plus PD minus D is equal to 1 by Q. A plus QD minus D is equal to 1 by P. For subtracting, just change the sign of everything. Here this get cancelled. This becomes P minus Q into D. Here this get cancelled. Is equal to here 1 by Q minus 1 by P. While taking LCM we get P minus Q by PQ. Here P minus Q into D. This P minus Q and this P minus Q get cancelled. Now this becomes D is equal to 1 by PQ. Here we got D. If we substitute in equation 1 or 2, we will get the value of A. I am substituting it in 1. Substitute D in 1. If I substitute D, it becomes A plus P into 1 by PQ minus 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by Q. This get cancelled. And this is 1 by Q. Even 1 by Q get cancelled. Here 0. So A is equal to, if this goes to this side, it becomes 1 by PQ plus 1 by PQ. So we got, here we have found D equal to 1 by PQ and A equal to 1 by PQ. Now we need to find SPQ to prove. So we know Sn formula is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Instead of N we have PQ. So PQ by 2 into 2A we have 1 by PQ plus N minus 1 is PQ minus 1 into D is 1 by PQ. Just solve it. PQ by 2 into 2 by PQ. Here if I multiply this inside, it becomes plus PQ by PQ minus 1 by PQ. Here the denominator is same. This becomes 2 minus 1 is 1 plus PQ. PQ gets cancelled and it becomes 1 by 2 into PQ plus 1. This what we need to prove. We have proved it. So hence proved. LHS equal to RHS. So we have proved it. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.